Greetings! This video covers fully the development of subtraction from concrete to written and then on to mental arithmetic. In videos 1 to 10 I have shown lots of activities for counting, addition and subtraction with bundling, exchange and trading as the basis. I have already pulled this all together for addition and now I will do so for subtraction. As the approach for subtraction is similar to that for addition, please consider this video with reference to video 11. For the marbles at the beginning, I used the cards 11 to 40. See my website and downloads for copies. And they choose one card. Maybe it's 33, and they set up the marbles so that there are 33 on a square 100 from Mathemats. And then they select a second card to subtract from that. Maybe they select 39. Well, it's clear I cannot take 39 away from 33. There are not enough. So they select another one and maybe it's 18. So 33 take away 18 is the job. So I take away 18. That's 18 and it was 33. 33 take away 18 is 15. The children write this up on their A4 1 centimetre grid paper. Here is an alternative approach for subtraction. 33 take away 18. I remove 18, well I remove 10 and I remove another 10 and that is too many. So I replace 2 and then I have removed 18 and my result is 15. The children write this down on their square paper. An alternative to using the cards 11 to 40, which can follow on, is to use the dice 0 to 9 and 0 to 90. That's the first two of the base 10 dice. We throw them and then we use the number strips to set out what that number is, a 20 and a 7. And now we can look at subtraction with Mathemats. I have the first two dice of base 10 and I throw those and maybe I get 72 and use the number strips to show that. And then I take 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And 2. 72. And then I throw the dice a second time. And maybe it comes to 84. Well, 72 take away 84 is clearly not possible. There are not enough there. So I throw the dice again and maybe I come up with 45. 72 take away 45. First of all, take away 5. There are only 2. So I exchange a 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I take away 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that was 72. Take away 45 is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 27. The children write this on their grids. We can now go into the hundreds. I have the first 3 base 10 dice and I throw them once and I get a number. Maybe it was 672. And I take 672. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 670. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2. 672. And then I throw the dice a second time, and if it's larger than 672, I can see that that's not possible. And I throw them again until I have a number which is less, maybe 387. So first of all, I take away 7, but that is not possible, so I must exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10. For 10, I take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now take away 80. There are not enough, so I must exchange 100 for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I can take away 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now take away 300. 1, 2, 3. So I have 387 here, and I had 672. So my result is 200 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 285. 672 take away 387 is 285. The children write this on their square grid paper. It's also possible to use the number strips. I throw the 2 first dice of base 10, and maybe I got 72, take away 45. So first of all, 2 take away 5. That's not possible. So I replace the 70 with a 60 and a 10. It's still 72. 12 take away 5 is 7. And 60 take away 40 is 20. So I have 72 take away 45 is 27. I use the first 3 base 10 dice, I throw them, and maybe I get 672. And then I throw them a second time and I get 387. So my job is 672 take away 387. First of all, the ones. 2 take away 7 is not possible. So I take the 70 and I put in a 60 and a 10. 12 take away 7 is 5. 60 take away 80 is not possible. So I substitute the 600 for a 500 and 100. So now I have 160 take away 80, which is 80. And last of all, 500 take away 300, which is 200. And that is my result, 285. Up until now, I have thrown the dice twice, but we could take 2 of each and throw them once. In this case, it would be 50 and 20, and 6 and 7. And then I have the 2 numbers that I require. And the same goes if I take the hundreds as well, or the thousands as well, or the tens of thousands, or the hundreds of thousands, in order to generate calculations. Well, that's all for subtraction. And don't forget my website, where you can find links to all my other videos and downloads to help you with what I've shown. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found a lot which you can use. And I say now, cheerio!